We got a new apartment. There's my coffee maker. I can't live without it. Here's the bathroom. It's nice and clean. Alright, we're just moving in. We got a TV. Got the laptop. Got 24/7 internet. There's Hero Wars. Coming up in a video is me reading about tabletop games. Okay. My backpack. A couple of my things. Some mashed potatoes. Okay, let's go outside. I need my phone. Hello, Mongo. You annoyed me today, saying that you're gonna report my channel. I haven't done anything to you. What, are you and JW0 boyfriend and girlfriend or something? I've had enough of the two of you. Okay, let's see. You guys are my court jesters, though. I can't live without you. Okay. I'm going to my bleeping car. I forgot my key card. Need that thing to get back in. You have to close the door really hard so it locks. Otherwise the door just blows open. We went to the storage unit today. Got some stuff. Brought it back. It was a big pain. We have to shut that unit down. It's way too expensive to keep it. It's pointless. The storage unit industry is $1 billion a year business. I don't know the exact number. But they make a crap load of money, that's for sure. Okay. My precious car. I didn't like that Mongo threatened to report my channel. It's one thing to goof around with me or to make fun of me, but to threaten me is taking it to another level. Hi, Mongo. I don't even know who the hell you are. You're just some guy on YouTube that's been there since 2013 and you haven't made a single video. You have 1 subscriber. Whoever that is. JW0 is less than 0. So screw you guys. So we're in a new place. Even in the car, I get internet on the phone, on my X-Mobile. This is a government phone I got for free. Okay, let's see. I just want to pull up Atlas Earth. Now that I have internet and my tripod set up, I can make videos where I'm not in the car all the time. I would have loved to have made videos in Starbucks, but they have their stupid music going on all the time. And you can't make videos with the music in the background, not really. Well, I would. I like music in the background. It's YouTube and the advertisers and the policies. They're the ones that don't like the music in the background. If there's music in the background, like in the old days, you just give the musician a cut. What's the big deal? Jesus. A lot of popular music is just plagiarized anyway. It's been that way for 100 years. Bing Crosby has a popular song. Then someone else writes a song in the style of Bing Crosby. And then you have musicians stealing music from unknown musicians. Then you have... Ooh, I don't want to get in... Well, let's just say that people have been plagiarizing each other for a long time. You can't copyright the English language, though. And you can't copyright music. Well, you can't copyright the rules of music. It's complicated. I'm not a musician, so it's not my problem. Though I have had people steal my art. That's a lot of fun. When you come home and your painting is missing. That sucked. So, at least I have hot water. Well, I can get hot water from my coffee maker now. So I'm really happy. I'm out of coffee. I have plenty of hot cocoa mix. But I need to get a thing of coffee. I might have some coffee in the back if I can find it. But I think I used it all. This Atlas Earth isn't working. What else can I show you? Just play. Okay. I made 57 cents on Just Play. Okay. And I have all this stuff. My game is Treasure Master. Where is it? It's right there. I can turn it on. Maybe it'll come on. So I used to make $1 a day with Treasure Master, and then they made it harder. And then I didn't always have internet, and it takes a long time to play this game. So I was getting $2 payouts every 2 days, and it helped pay for my coffee, and I liked it. And it's something I could just do on the side while I was doing other stuff. And every 3 hours, you can get a payout. And this is one of the few games that I've actually gotten paid through with PayPal. It actually works. So I only talk about games that I've tested and that work. Treasure Master claims they pay out $18,000 a day or something. Okay, can you even see that? So I don't know what Mongo's problem is. He's the Planet Mongo. He should be there with Ming the Merciless. I haven't done anything wrong. He just doesn't like me for some reason. What? Do I threaten him with my existence? I don't know. So I'm excited about the new Instagram video I made where I show every single picture that I've ever posted there. Well, I actually have another account, David Lovins 11, but I ignore that one. It became too overwhelming to have 2 accounts. I wanted a personal one and then one for my artwork, but this one, I just throw everything in together. Art and life together. Just how it is. I don't have the time to be on 2 Instagram accounts. I just can't do it. I could if I had multiple computers. Okay. So I'm going to read a Wikipedia article and have fun with that. Now that I've got my tripod set up and an apartment with internet, I can film my video games properly. So that'll be fun. And I need to figure out how to get $500 to pay for the apartment. PayPal.me/David Lovins. Okay. So yeah, I need money to help pay for the apartment. So I have to make some money quick. I always say that, but my life has been an emergency for about 37 years. Always something. Family, friend, they need money. It never ends. So I just have to become successful. Then I can help people I care about. Alright, thanks for watching. If people are going to be mean to me, I just say, go find something else to do. I haven't done anything to you. Alright. I mean, if they think I'm a sad person, they're the ones that are sad for harassing me. It's just that they could find better things to do with their time. Unless they think it's a big joke and if it's one big comedy session. Alright, but it's just, from my point of view, it's just really boring. It's a bore fest. Go read a book. Go on a vacation. Go find a girlfriend. Do something.